Hey everyone, Nate with eqtble, Head of Growth, going to walk through a quick demo. So eqtble is a people, talent, and HR analytics platform that directly integrates into your existing systems such as HRIS, ATS. We work with engagement, performance, survey tools, and even spreadsheets. So the first piece of what we do is really around data orchestration and management. So our in-house data engineering team will work with you to consolidate the data model from all your different sources, transform that data into usable HR metrics, and provide a layer of customization within the ETL pipeline, such as custom department mappings, custom formulas and metrics, and maybe including or excluding certain data sets. So once we have that data model in place, the front end of eqtble is going to be basically how you visualize and share that data with your team. So the main functionality of the eqtble is going to be stories, which you could think of as advanced or more interactive dashboard. You can go ahead and name your story, maybe put a description in there. And then really a story is going to be a combination of text, so you can provide context to what you're displaying, as well as charts and KPIs. So for example, maybe we want to go ahead and add a chart in here. It's going to go ahead and pull up your custom metric library, which is going to be completely dependent on your data inputs, your data sources, and what you're looking to measure. So we can add custom metrics in here, change formulas. This will be completely dependent, on what you're looking to measure. So for example, if we want to go ahead and look into attrition, maybe we want to pull up just a basic attrition over time chart. I'll go ahead and make it, bigger so it takes the full screen. Maybe you want to view it quarter over quarter or month over month. Let's go ahead and make an applicant process funnel. We have a default in this data set to go by job department, but the different splits are going to be basically custom to, how you want to visualize your data. So you could easily change it to location or gender or race, or just kind of have a general function. And it's easy as just, clicking that different split. Then maybe you want to go ahead and add, head count. So maybe you want to do headcount growth by dimension by time. So we're looking at headcount growth by department in this case. Again, maybe we want to bring it, do it by gender or something like that. So just in a couple minutes, we went and created, this custom dashboard or story. Maybe we want to add divider in here, and then we add text context. So you can type in some context just based on, what you observed, or more importantly, how you're going to improve, certain metrics as you're sharing this. You can also drill into the data. So if you want to see a specific data set, you can just click on it. You can obviously download it. And we have custom permission sets to make sure row and column level to make sure that people are only viewing the data, that'd be relevant or appropriate for them to. We can also apply filters to individual metrics. So if you want to see this for a specific location or department, again, this will all be customized to you all, just depending on how you want to filter your data. And then we also have story level filters. So rather than doing it at the individual metric level, you can apply a filter to the full story so that it's filtering just by a specific subset of data. We also do have a query function, so if you want to create your own custom metrics directly from this point, you can do that. We'll save that for a future video, or there's no way I'll keep this under 5 minutes. So if we go back to our story list here, you can see these are just examples of some different templates we've created for other customers. But again, it's just going to be a combination of different charts and tiles as well as text. So we can put in our analysis and show different visualizations, change different splits, things like that. So that's like compensation. Maybe we want to show employee events, showing promotions, demotions, and transfers, attrition, retention, things like that. So again, these are just going to be examples based on demo data, but just, some idea, just to get some ideas of what, what's possible. Maybe want to bring in like talent analytics or something like that. So we can really organize this however you all would want to display it. You can also share the story directly from the app, so you can share with the user or team, make them editor or viewer. You can download as a PDF, and then we also have scheduled deliveries if you want to do recurring delivery. You can also apply a filter to a schedule, so that way you're sending the same story but different versions of it, maybe to heads of department or something like that. So you can create a schedule and apply, general operations, and that's only going to show the general operations employees. We do have some additional features, such as like an org chart, for example, but we'll probably save that for another video, but feel free to reach out if you have questions on that. And then with implementation, this is something that takes, days or weeks, not months, so something we can stand up pretty quickly. And you'll also be working directly with a data engineer for the full length of the agreement. You have a Slack channel, a lot of collaboration there. So hopefully this was helpful. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions. Thanks.